Just cut through the yard.
Okay, today's October 18th. It's my dad's birthday.
Yay.
And we're out at the Delaware River today. We're going to see if we can catch a walleye. It's pretty warm, but I'm all bundled up. I'm freezing already. So we're going to head over to our spot over here and take some casts and see what we can do.
All right, let's go, JoEllen.
Oh, just had something grab this. Let's see what it is, JoEllen, huh? Ooh, got some weight. Feels troutish. I think it's a bass. Smallmouth maybe. Let's see. Come on.
Does not want to come in.
He's coming. He's coming now. We're tiring him out. What is that? It is. It's a smallmouth. What's a smallmouth doing in our walleye spot?
I don't know.
Look it on the river. Come on, you little bugger. Oh, I spit it out right there.
Look at that.
Look at that, just in time for me to grab it. There it is, smallmouth.
Nice. Birthday smallmouth bass.
Hit the jig.
There you go.
All right, let's keep it rolling. What do you say?
Keep going.
I'll throw him back.
Nice.
Fish out. Just hooked up with something. What do you think? Feels walleye-ish. What do you think, John?
I don't know.
Small walleye-ish. I don't know. 15 inch maybe. Whoa.
Ooh.
Ooh, that might be a keeper-ish. I don't know. Let's see. Dang. Look at there, Jenny. That might be a keeper. Let me get the hook out. Boy, he was hooked good. There he is. Birthday walleye. Yahoo!
Good present.
I think it's a keeper. I think he's about 18 and a half. We're going to see right now. 10:30. Middle of the day, middle of the morning, whatever. Uh-oh, where's my stick? Get the stick out. Here, little bugger. That's my dinner tonight, I think. 18, oh yeah!
There you go. Almost 19.
Almost 19 inches. We got one keeper. He's going on the stringer.
Woo!
We're gonna eat that little bugger for supper. Let me get out of dang.
Oh boy, JoEllen just hooked up.
Not 2 minutes after you
Watch he doesn't get caught up in the fish.
Oh, I think it's a smaller.
Bring it in. Doesn't matter. Oh yeah, cool, man.
Ooh. He's got a fight in him. Oh boy.
Oh boy. Bring him up on the shore. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Nice
Oh,
fish,
you got
JoEllen.
one for me too. All right, chill out.
That's a big smallie. Do we need pliers to get that out?
No, he threw it.
Oh, he threw it. Okay, good.
All right, let me stand over this side.
All right. Cool. Nice fish. Let's go out now. Let's let him go and let's go after the species we're after, huh?
Yeah. Hey, I'm happy with anything.
You didn't get skunked?
Yeah, exactly. Let's see if I can get a nice walleye now.
All right, let him go. He's gone.
Dang!
Good job.
He's not sticking around.
No.
Like I said, I'm happy with anything. So.
Cool. All right, let's go back at it.
Let's go.
Here we go. JoEllen just hooked something up.
I think it's another smallmouth. Not big.
Whoa, that's a nice smallie, JoEllen. Looks like the same one.
Is it?
I don't know.
It's the same one you got earlier too.
Maybe. Who knows? Cool. Nice catch.
Thanks.
Oh yeah, that's a doozy. Nice fish. All right, let's let him go. Wherever. Come on. Phew, boy, he took off quick.
Yeah, he's got some spunk in him.
Good job.
Thanks. Let's go get another one.
All right, let's go. What do you see over there, JoEllen?
There's about 6 little deer over there.
Let's see.
Just hopping around.
Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's 6 of them. Can't tell if they're any buck. I don't think so. I think they're all doe. Hard to tell though. We're so far away.
Just hanging out.
Yep, they're eating along the river here. All right, let's get out of here. Time to go home. There it is. There's our dinner.
It's our
Let's go, JoEllen. That was a good day.
haul of the day.
Yep. Let's get out of here. All right, so that was it. We ended up getting the one walleye, right, JoEllen? And you got 2 bass.
2 bass. You got 1 bass.
I got 1 bass, and that was that. So we're headed out. So stay tuned. We'll try to get back out. We got bow seasons around right here now. I came out of the stand this morning. I saw 2 doe. But hopefully we get a buck. And then JoEllen's even thinking of hunting this year. So we'll keep you posted.
Maybe.
All right, stand by. Today is October 18th. We just come off the river. And there's that walleye. I'm getting ready to eat it. Let's see how it is. Little blackened seasoning on it, olive oil. Oh boy, is that good?
Birthday lunch. Did you have anything
Happy
better?
birthday, Daddy.
There you go.
60 years old, fresh walleye. We can get any better than that.
King for years and years to come. He saw a generation grow. A castle stands out on the edge of town. Subjects lined up.